So today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the floss. Pretty easy. Put your arms like this. So you're going to put it like that. You're going to swerve this side. So just swerve your arms a little bit. Normal. This is for beginners, so if you already know how to do it, then yeah. You're going to like that, and you're going to do the same thing with the other side. You're going to move if you hear noises, by the way, I have the fan on, so try not to hear noises. Also, shout out to merge videos, because it helped me make this video. But anyway, back to the video. So you're just gonna move. So I'm gonna do it standing up. Easy. So yeah. Bye.